How to fix choose another phone number or email address to call contact card is not available for FaceTime issue. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down, open the option General. Scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, scroll up, open this option Software Update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Heading towards next solution, open your App Store, search for the app FaceTime. After it appears, if you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your FaceTime app to its latest version. Close this, open your settings app, scroll down, head towards the option of General, open the option iPhone Storage. Now from here, find the app FaceTime. Once you find it, open it. Click on the option of Upload app, click on Upload app. After you upload the app, click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix choose another phone number or email address to call contact card is not available for FaceTime issue. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.